Hi everyone, let's talk about digital lifestyles around the world, how technology shapes our lives, and the pros and cons it brings. Access to technology is growing, but millions still lack internet. The digital DVD isn't just about teach, it is also about education and income. Only education helped many during the pandemic, but others had no device or connection. It only worked when basic conditions are met. Remote work offers flexibility, but not everyone can do it. Some face isolation or struggling to balance work and life. Social media and entertainment connect people and encourage creativity, but there are risks like missing information, addiction, and scam. Cybersecurity is improving, but not everywhere. Where we need more education and stronger laws to protect everyone. It shows digital life, other with opportunities, but also challenging and inequalities. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.